Hello everyone, this is Big Money Chasing Big Money by Copy Trading on Bitget. This is episode 8 of the passive income series on the 31st of July 2023. This month was profitable, so yet again a green month to close. The market was quite stagnant in July, not a lot has been happening that would trigger a deviation event, but let's see how the traders managed to capitalize on the ups and downs, how they performed, and what changes I am planning to make for the roster. In my previous video, I mentioned that I was expecting this month to be rough simply because I estimated some news from the SEC regarding the Bitcoin spot ETF applications. Interestingly enough, there was a verdict in the Ripple versus SEC court case where the judge ruled mostly in favor of Ripple, saying that in some cases XRP could not be classified as a security, basically proving the points of Ripple right. This has caused a massive rally in the price of XRP, which pulled the rest of the crypto market along to the upside. However, the brakes on the euphoria wagon were hit after a detailed report of the ruling itself came out. As it turns out, it was only a partial win for Ripple, as the verdict also stated that the institutional sale of XRP tokens did in fact violate federal securities laws. After this, prices started to normalize and BTC sank below 30k and failed to reclaim that level ever since. Now, let's see how my traders handled all this. The team of traders remained the same as before. I have One Monkey, Locking Boy, and Kendrick. The performance of One Monkey is, well, not amazing. In fact, he closed the month in red because just a couple of days ago he closed some long positions in losses. Truth be told, it was just before the market dipped heavily, so actually it could have been a safety measure, and if I'm guessing right, the monkey is turning slightly bearish. To be honest, I see less and less planning and solid execution in his trading behavior, so I'm keeping a close eye on him in the month of August, and if he's still underperforming, I will need to let him go. Locking Boy did quite alright, even though another of his open positions hit a stop loss. Actually, he might prove me wrong for setting up a stop loss for his trades, because if the market goes south from here, he will be able to close his red positions in profit. However, as the main purpose of this channel is to avoid liquidations and stay profitable, I chose to play the safe game and not let red positions spin out of control. All things considered, in August, if prices are going to go lower, he will prove me wrong by booking decent profits on the positions that were stopped out in losses on my command. In any case, apart from this, his trades are solid, so I'm keeping him for August as well. Kendrick is also performing quite well. Increasing his leverage to 10x last month was the right thing to do. I just hope he keeps on doing this cool, level-headed trading, and he will quickly become my most profitable trader in the roster. Also, last time I mentioned that I would keep Moon Gladys on my watch list, and well, yeah, it was yet again the right thing to do, as his performance is just simply not good enough. The results are not bad, but not amazing either. This period is rather difficult to trade, so I'm happy that the month ended in green. Of course, I'm nowhere near where I wanted to be when I started the series. Nonetheless, my account is perfectly safe. I mean, if I take a look at the liquidation levels, it's clearly a wonderful thing to see that even with 15 positions open, I would never liquidate, and that gives me a peace of mind. As soon as the account grows a bit more, I will add another trader to the roster. Of course, I will disclose the name of the trader just before adding him, so in case you wish to tag along, you would know what I will choose. Alrighty, this is all I have for July. I don't really know what to expect from August. A lot depends on the news about the Bitcoin ETF filings. The price action is not bullish at the moment at all. The way it looks, it could easily break below 29k without pulling back up. Now, if I combine that with some bad news from the SEC, we're going to see very low levels again. However, if the SEC approves the ETF applications, then of course we will see a massive bull run. Given the previous procedures, I don't expect the team of Gensler to deliver a straightforward answer anytime soon, and I think the market participants and the investors are getting tired and bored of this sideways movement, so we would really need a strong catalyst to move the prices upwards. As usual, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the other videos on the channel. Most importantly, trade safe, big money out.